Did you know that most people wreck their hedges and lawn edges not because they lack the skill, but because they're using the wrong tool? Cutting by hand leaves your hands aching, and a string trimmer is a cannon for killing flies when what you really need is surgeon-level precision around your plants. So today, we've rounded up the 7 best cordless grass shears and hedge trimmers available in Europe right now, from featherweight 7.2-volt models for your balcony to 18-volt beasts that plow through grass a meter tall. Each one has its ideal user, and I'll tell you straight which one fits you. You've got all the links down in the description so you can check out the one that suits you best. Let's dive in. We kick off with the WorkPro 2-in-1 at 7.2 volts, and I'm starting here because it solves a problem we've quietly suffered for years: proprietary chargers. How many tools have you binned not because they broke, but because you lost that weird transformer that only worked with them? WorkPro waves goodbye to that nightmare with USB Type-C charging, the very same as your phone. It packs a 2000 mAh lithium cell and weighs next to nothing, barely 370 grams, so you can spend the whole afternoon trimming without your wrist complaining. It slices branches of nearly 8 millimeters with blades that swap out tool-free. The best bit is they've moved the safety button to the top of the chassis, and that, which sounds like nothing, hugely eases thumb fatigue over long sessions. Oh, and don't panic if you open the box and spot a thick blue liquid oozing from the gears. It's not a leak, it's industrial grease packed on generously at the factory so nothing rusts. Now, if instead of power you're after absolute discretion, we switch gears with the Bosch Isio Shear at 3.6 volts. This is the antithesis of brute force, pure European minimalism. Its blades get laser cutting and diamond dust sharpening, which gives clinical cuts that barely damage the plant tissue, ideal for anyone who tends their box hedges like works of art. It weighs 530 grams, fits in any drawer, and runs at 74 decibels, a whisper compared with nearly everything else. You can shape the garden on a Sunday morning without your neighbor sending you a formal complaint. That said, it keeps a slightly dated micro USB port and takes around 3 hours to charge, so it's one to plan with, not to improvise. And its motor prefers thin stems. Feed it old wood over 5 millimeters and it'll stall. Perfect if you prize delicacy and silence above all else. And now we take a brutal leap up in category with the Einhell GC-CG 18/1, which is proper serious kit. Forget lightweight gadgets. This is semi-professional machinery that belongs to the interchangeable Power Exchange battery platform. Its jewel is a gearbox built entirely from metal, and here's the detail almost nobody grasps. Most cheap tools fit plastic gears, and when the blade bites a wire hidden in the undergrowth, those teeth shear off and the machine dies for good. Einhell's metal box absorbs that shock and carries on like nothing happened, multiplying its lifespan in hostile terrain. It comes with a 200mm shrub blade and a 100mm grass shear, which is unstoppable and devours dense turf without dropping its revs. Careful, honest heads up. Despite its 18 volts, the 8mm gap between the teeth means the thicker branches bounce off the comb, so thick wood you'll finish off with pruning shears. The beauty is that the same battery serves your drill in the morning, the hedge trimmer at midday, and the leaf blower in the afternoon. So what if you want that same 18-volt power but with millimeter-perfect ergonomics? That's where the Black & Decker BCSS18 steps in, inside the Power Connect ecosystem. It shares the brute force with the Einhell, but here they've bet everything on biomechanics. Here's what blows your mind. Adding the battery to the base should turn it into an awkward mallet, yet they've calibrated the center of gravity so it lands right on the axis of your wrist. That cancels the turning force that normally shoves the cutting head towards the ground, and older folk or anyone with less strength can handle it without punishing their tendons. It plows through grass nearly a meter tall without overheating, but its cleverest touch is the handle angled at 15 degrees. When you cut flush to the ground instead of scraping your knuckles on soil or stones, that angle creates a clear space that saves your skin and spares you bending down those extra inches, looking after your lower back. In exchange, it's a touch loud, around 87 decibels, so pop on ear protection if you'll be at it for hours. We switch profile because this next one is for someone very specific. The Dwinner DE1525 is the answer for anyone with a wrecked back or who can't kneel. It takes ordinary 7.2-volt shears and adds a factory-fitted telescopic handle up to 90 centimeters plus a wheeled base. A micro mower you operate standing up. Picture an older person keeping their lawn edges immaculate without bending their spine even once, or trimming around a pool without crouching. That's exactly what it solves. Its motor spins at 1100 revolutions and cuts grass clean without tearing it. and it packs a very clever safety system. When you connect the pole, the trigger on the main unit switches off and control passes to the upper handle, dodging any nasty surprises while you assemble it. The only thing is the wheels are a bit flimsy in plastic and slip slightly on uneven ground, but if you value working upright with everything included and no extra accessories to buy, it more than makes up for it. Now, if there are kids or pets scampering about your house, pay attention to this one. The HiO MJ80002 pours its budget into two things: internal durability and industrial safety. Its startup is triple validated. Connect a safety terminal at the base, engage a lock button, and on top of that, squeeze the trigger. It's statistically impossible for a child to fire it up by accident by stepping on it in the grass. Inside hides its best trick: sintered powder metallurgy gears, meaning metal powder compacted and baked, which stay porous and hold the lubricant within, self-lubricating and shrugging off repeated jams far better than cheap cast zinc. It charges via USB Type-C and is wrapped in anti-slip rubber, so it grips beautifully even when the grass is wet. The only thing to improve is that the buttons to release the blades are stiff as anything, and the protective cover pulls off upwards, not sliding like we all try at first. And we reach the crown jewel, the one that closes in style: the Bosch Isio at 3.6 volts in its third generation. Careful, don't confuse it with the Easy Shear from earlier, even though they share the voltage, because this is another league. Its big card is the Bosch anti-blocking system, a microprocessor that watches the resistance on the blades in real time. What's magic about it? When you bite into hard wood, instead of that agonizing whine and stalling, the chip reverses the polarity in microseconds and makes the blades draw back and strike again at very high frequency, like a microsaw chewing through the wood until it's clean through on its own. And there's more. The electronics regulate the voltage, so the cut at minute 49 is just as fast as the one at minute 1, stopping dead at 0 so you never get slow, ragged cuts. Its blades are Swiss steel sharpened by diamond and hold their edge through whole seasons. The catch is, it's the priciest of the bunch, and the battery is sealed, so you can't swap it yourself. But for a topiary lover, that premium justifies itself at the first box hedge it carves without ever jamming. Let's do the recap. If you've got back trouble or you can't kneel, the Dwinner with its telescopic handle is your savior, and it comes with everything included. If you already own 18-volt batteries from some brand, go for power, the Einhell. If your ground hides obstacles and stones, trusting its metal gears, or the Black & Decker if you work flush to the ground and want to save your knuckles with that 15-degree angle. If there are little ones or pets at home, the HiO and its triple safety give you the peace of mind you're after. For the perfectionist artist sculpting hedges like statues, the Bosch Isio has no rival thanks to its anti-blocking system. If you're a practical city dweller who hates weird chargers, the WorkPro with its USB Type-C and 370 grams is the logical pick. And if you want total discretion for the odd touch-up without bothering the neighbors, the Bosch Easy Shear and its 74 decibels are unbeatable. You've got all the links in the description to grab the one that fits you best. If this helped, tell me in the comments which one you're taking home. See you in the next one.